The Hisense 55U6 Pro is about to change the way you watch TV forever. Imagine being able to see every detail, in every scene, like it was shot right in front of you. That's exactly what this TV delivers, a picture that leaps off the screen with striking contrast in vivid, lifelike color. Whether you're watching a sunny landscape or a candlelit drama, the difference is unmistakable. But how does it do it? It starts with its mini LED backlighting, which uses hundreds of precise light zones to enhance contrast across the screen. That means every shadow, every highlight, and every moment of action stays crisp and fluid, perfect for fast-paced movies, live games, or competitive gaming. You'll feel like you're right there in the action. And then there's the native 144 Hz refresh rate. That's a fancy way of saying it can display up to 144 frames per second. In simple terms, that means every frame stays sharp and easy to follow, even during the most intense moments. Whether you're playing a game or watching a sports match, this TV has got your back. But it's not just about visuals, the sound is incredible too. The built-in subwoofer gives you deep, rumbling bass that pulls you into the heart of the moment. Imagine feeling like you're right there in the middle of an explosion, or experiencing every beat of your favorite song with crystal clear clarity. And let's not forget about brightness and glare. This TV is designed to handle even the brightest rooms without any distractions. The anti-reflection coating keeps your view clean and distraction-free, so you can focus on what matters, the show. But here's the thing, this TV doesn't just work hard, it also makes life easier for you. With smart recommendations and a watch list feature, Fire TV knows exactly what you're looking for, and it picks up where you left off. And with Alexa Plus, you can use your voice to ask what's next, and get the perfect suggestion. The Hisense 55U6 Pro is more than just a TV, it's an immersive experience that brings you closer to the action. Whether you're watching a movie, playing games, or just relaxing in front of the screen, this TV delivers an unparalleled viewing experience that will leave you breathless and wanting more.